Hi guys, welcome to Only Match Tutorial. Hi guys, welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the probability terminology, that is sure event or certain events we call. The sample space of an experiment is called sure event if its element will surely occur in any trial of the experiment. Okay, see the example. When a die is thrown, the event of getting a number is less than or equal to 6 guys. See, when a die is thrown, we can get the possible outcomes as either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. We cannot get a die. When a single die is thrown, we cannot get an output as 8. We cannot get an output as 7. Okay, we'll get an outputs within the limits. With what are the limits here? What are the boundaries here? So between 1 to 6. Okay, those are called the sure events guys. So sure events is also called as certain events. Okay, so coming to, so I hope you understand this sure event guys. So in the next video we are going to cover other terminology. Thank you for watching.